Hey guys, Rob Stack here, AKA the A-lister, now with the Home Squad at eXp Realty. Today we're rolling out the red carpet on this fantastic 3-bedroom, 2-bath house centrally located in the heart of Williamsburg. This meticulously cared for home has been updated throughout to bring out all the charm in this open concept beauty. Let's check it out. Okay, you can roll out the red carpet now. It's time. Wait, what? We don't have a red carpet. Okay, let's see the home. This charming home with attractive new tile roof features nearly 1,900 square feet of living space, a paver walkway, and is tastefully landscaped to maximize curb appeal. The open concept living area includes lush carpet, fresh interior paint, crown molding, new AC, and more. The kitchen is bright and inviting with all wood cabinets, updated lighting, new food disposal, and eat-in bar. A perfect spot for signing all those autographs. The dining room opens to the family room, offering a comfortable space for entertaining and relaxing. The enclosed and insulated Florida room provides an additional space for family and friends and includes a separate AC to maximize comfort while enjoying the outdoors. The oversized master bedroom is the perfect space to relax and unwind and provides easy access to the outdoor patio. The backyard features a full-grown magnolia tree and beautiful paver patio, perfect for entertaining. This is truly the way to live the Florida lifestyle. Located close to SeaWorld and all of the attractions. Easy access to fantastic shopping, dining, walking trails, and zoned for great schools. So there you have it. Charm, comfort, convenience, all at an incredibly attractive price. This is the perfect place to call home after a long day of fighting off that paparazzi. So don't wait, call today to schedule your showing. Okay, you can let the fans in now to take pictures. I've got. Wait, what? I don't have any fans. Why the heck I sign all those headshots?